So this is actually 4 p.m. Nigerian time. If you're in Nigeria, this is actually the Christmas period, and I'm filming this video just few days to Christmas. I made a video recently on my morning skincare routine, and some of you were asking that you want to see what my night routine looks like. So I'm going to be sharing that on this video. Like, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I do on my face in my night routine, like from the shower, then my treatment and other things that I apply literally on my face in every night routine. So this is 4 p.m. This is not actually night time, but for the sake of this video, I need to film this video with broad daylight because I love to use natural light in filming my video. If you guys want to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you guys pictures of everything. I'm not going to be keeping anything out. You guys are going to be seeing everything like live and clear. Without taking much of your time, let's go straight into it. And I'm going to be using a voiceover actually to complete the remaining part of this video so that I can focus on doing the practical aspect so that you guys can follow along. So without taking much of your time, let us go straight into it.
Okay, so I have already had my bath earlier. I've already cleansed my face, and this is what I actually use. I use this Face Facts Ceramide Foaming Cleanser for my face. I've been using this foaming cleanser for some time now, and trust me guys, this cleanser is very, very amazing. In case you're not using this cleanser yet, I will highly recommend you get one for yourself. So this is what I use to do my double cleansing. As a oily skin girly, I always recommend double cleansing. It's very, very important. I use this aqua toner to do my double cleansing. If you are oily skin girly or you wear makeup, trust me, using only a face cleanser or a bar soap, depending on what you use on your face, will not clean your face properly. Like, you need something that will help you get rid of those excess oils and dirt that the cleanser couldn't get rid of totally. You'll be amazed on the dirt that is still on your face after cleansing. So I normally use this cotton pad, and then with my aqua toner. Aqua toner is actually very good. It contains licorice extract. It's going to help to brighten your face and also reduce the appearance of dark spots, and it also helps to fight acne. Yeah, depending on what you're battling with on your skin or what you want to achieve on your face. But I would highly recommend aqua toner. Can you guys see the dirt? Like, look at it. This is the face that I just cleansed in the shower, but you guys can still see that the cotton pad is still brown. Yeah, that's to tell you that double cleansing in the night it shouldn't even be something that you negotiate on. You should adapt to it. In the morning, you can go ahead and cleanse once, but when it comes to the night time, you want to ensure that you are double cleansing your face. That way, it will help you get rid of those debts that your cleanser couldn't. Remember, whatever goes to your face goes to your neck and your chest region. Very, very important. There are so many toners out there, but for some reason, I actually prefer this aqua toner. It is quite a little bit pricey, but trust me, it is worth every penny. You're going to be getting value for your money. Since I started using this aqua toner, my skincare game has improved drastically. So you're going to allow it to dry for some time before we move to the next step. So you can kind of blow, or you just sit there and allow it to dry. Yeah, so I don't want to hear that I don't have time. Thank God this is a night routine. So in the night, you're at home, you take your time and do what you're supposed to do. Yeah, so the next step we're going to be doing is we're going to be applying our serums. Yeah, and I normally have 2 serums in my night routine, one exfoliating serum and one brightening serum. I use this Beauty Formula exfoliating serum together with this niacinamide serum from Estelene. Yeah, this Beauty Formula contains AHA and BHA. It's an exfoliating serum, and I only use it once or twice in a week. Let's go ahead and apply the niacinamide serum from Estelene. I'm not using my exfoliating serum today. Like I said earlier, I only use it twice in a week. So this is it, guys. Look at this serum. Like, have you guys noticed that Estelene have been producing very nice products lately? You should try one of Estelene serums and thank me later. Yeah, this particular one, I love this serum. This serum is so good. it feels so good on the face. It's going to help to brighten your face and also moisturize your face. Look at it, the texture is very nice. So you go ahead and drop on your face. Please do not allow the dropper to touch your skin so that you won't get it contaminated. Yeah, so don't forget your neck region and also your chest region. Very, very important. I'll keep on emphasizing. And you go ahead and spread it across your face. Please always use the spreading method. Don't do the rub method. Do the spreading method so that everything can sit pretty well on your face and sink into your skin. There are a lot of niacinamide serum out there that you can actually use from different brands. Just get the one that actually works for you. But for some reason, I love this particular one. Yeah, this is my 7th bottle, if I'm not mistaken. This is the 7th one, and I'm sure going to get another one because I'm already running out already. So guys, just take your time and apply it on your face. Don't be too stingy with the serum. Apply it on your face. So you're going to allow it to air dry for some time, just like we did in the first step. Allow it to air dry before we move into the next step. So in my night routine, I actually have my treatment routine. So this is the time for my treatment routine. Remember, during the day, we have no business with any active. So this is the face cream I use. I use this K whitening face cream. This face cream contains tranexamic acid and other important ingredients that are going to help you, maintain your face, especially if you're struggling with acne and dark spots. This face cream is going to help you to do the job perfectly well. This face cream is not to be used during the day. You can use only at night. But then if you don't have much dark spots or acne on your face, you can even skip some nights. You must not use it every day. This face cream is very good. It is so hydrating. It smells so nice as well, guys. Yeah, so you're going to use the picker. Do not put your hand into the face cream so that you won't tamper with the pH. Always use a picker to pick it and apply on your face generously and allow it to sit pretty well on your face. If you're suffering from sunburn, it also works for sunburn. If you just have few acne or dark spot on your face, you can just apply it on the localized area. You must not rub it in the whole of your face. What I do is, since I don't have any active acne currently, I just use this face cream 3 to 4 times in a week and I apply it all over my face. Some days I only apply it on the areas where I have pimples or dark spots, but some days I apply in the whole of my face. And don't forget your neck and your chest region too, guys. Very important. I'll keep on saying it. Guys, are you seeing how my face is already glowing? Like, can you see the glows? This is a treatment face cream, but it's going to glow your face and hydrate your face very, very well. Guys, just look at how hydrating this face cream is. This face cream, actually, it was previously known as X face cream, X whitening face cream, but for some reason the owner of the brand changed it recently to K whitening face cream. So in case you see anyone written X, just know that it's the same brand, but that it should be the old one, something like that. Yeah, but the new ones is written K whitening hydrating face cream on it. Yeah, so lastly, my lips, of course. So I apply this Chapet lip balm to keep my lips well moisturized in the night. So no need of sunscreen in the night. I don't apply sunscreen in my night routine, but if you want to, then you can go ahead and do it. But for some reason, I don't apply sunscreen. And then I also go with this Absolute lip gloss just to keep my lips well moisturized, because this is the Harmattan season, and yeah, my lips have been getting really dry lately and I don't want it. So I normally layer 2 times on my lips. I go with the Chapet and then the Absolute lip. So guys, that is it. Sometimes I use this Desire Snail Mucin face moisturizer. That's the night that I'm not using the K whitening hydrating face cream. I apply this particular one. So these are the face moisturizers I use. I use the Snail Mucin from Desire to do my morning routine every morning, but I alternate between the two at night. Yeah, and then Again, these are the serums I use. The Beauty Formula Exfoliating Serum and the Niacinamide B3 Serum. Yeah, and these are my cleansers, the face facts and Aquell toner. Very, very important. Let me know which of these products you're going to be using in the comment section. Which one are you going to be trying? Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at just oh, I don't want to talk too much. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you're yet to. See you guys in our next. Bye.